Dream Dance going up quickly to second. Now Bulldozer coming from the outside with a good run. It's going to go to third place, followed by Bullish Will. Over on the inside is Blue Jay, followed by Rising Sun, who's getting back in the field as they make the run out of the straight now, and as many challenges come around the outside. Dream Dance is looking to the lead now. From over on the inside is going along strongly is Infinite Grace, followed by Bullish Wind. Then came Bulldozer, the favourite, running along fourth at this stage. In the back straight, and Dream Dance has gone to the lead now. Dream Dance in front, running along second is Infinite Grace over on the inside. As they go down the back, they start to pack up. And around the outside, Dream Dance, Infinite Grace, Bulldozer joins in three wide. Bullish Wolves running fourth, followed then by Rising Sun, who's coming into the picture, followed further back by Out the Conquer, who will have to hurry. Easter being ridden hard and is well back. As maintained Sun. Out in front, Infinite Grace has gone for a sprint and broken clear again. Infinite Grace in front. In second place is Bullish Will, and now Bulldozer starts to come with his run. Running up towards the home turn, 250 to travel, and over on the inside is Infinite Grace, the leader. On the outside, Bulldozer starting to throw down the challenge. In the straight, Infinite Grace and Bulldozer. Bullish Will trying to come after them now. It's anyone's race. Over on the outside now, it's still Infinite Grace in front. Bullish Will trying hard, but down to the line they come. Rising Sun finishing hard in front and going to the line. Infinite Grace beat Bulldozer. Getting up third was Rising Sun, followed then by Out the Conquer.
We made mention of this earlier. What more can you ask? Ang ganda ng karera ng iyong partner. Talaga nga naman. And Infinite Grace hanging on to that lead when he took it from the last 400 up to the wire, beating Bulldozer, the favorite, by about half a length. Ganda. Ganda talaga. Time of that race, 1 minute 46 seconds flat. Quarter clackings of 26, 25, another 25, and it finished at 30 for a total of 1 minute 46 for 1,600 meters. Okay. Partner, yung si Infinite Grace, kanina nakikita na natin dun pa lang sa partner, di ba sabi ko nga maraming dumarating. Medyo pinag-ano siya, talagang gusto siyang lagpasan. Pero yun, ito ang isang magandang kapability nitong kabayang ito. Ito matagal sa unahan, habang binubugbog mo, lalong lumalayo. Ang lakas ng fighting heart. Yes, oo. Infinite Grace, ridden by Angelito Bruce. In fact, bago siya natalo nung itong November 10, partner, nagkaroon ng 4-win streak yung si Infinite Grace. Puntong-punto yan nun. Yes, at saka itong si Infinite Grace, partner, ito yung gustong-gusto niyang, itong Santana Park, yung gustong-gusto niyang karerahan. Out of 23 outings here at Santana Park, nanalo yan ng 13 victory. Okay, panoorin na natin itong slow-mo ni Infinite Grace. Going to the last 100 meters of this race, si Bullish Will, yung nasa may tabing balya, ang pilit na humahabol ulit dito kay Infinite Grace, no? Oo. At saka yung nasa gitna, yan yung Rising Sun. Samantalang itong si Bulldozer, yung nasa kalabas-labasan, yan po ang makakalaban niya dito sa finish line at tatalunin ni Infinite Grace si Bulldozer by half a length. Nasakay naman itong si David Camo si Bulldozer. Si Rising Sun, lumimati dito yan sa coming to the last 350 of the race. At hanggang tercero lang po. Akala natin dito mukhang mga lulusot si Joey Macarayid ulit. Oo. Pero wala. Hindi niya. For third win, ha? Oo. Pero hindi niya na nakayanan. At ang sumigundo pa rin dito itong si Bulldozer na muntik nang abutin itong si Infinite Grace. Yes. Okay. Infinite Grace winning by about half a length over Bulldozer. A length further back. Half a length further back was Rising Sun. It's official, partner, the winner number 3, Infinite Grace, ridden by Angelito Buser, coming in second, number 1, Bulldozer. Third was number 2, Rising Sun, while fourth place is number 7, Out to Conquer. Okay. 3-1-2-7 po ang order of arrival natin for race number 9. And time of the race, 1 minute 46 seconds flat. Okay. Nami-ami ang konti. Nandiyan yung ating awarding ceremony. Sinasabi mo nga si Mr. Arceo, ang may-ari nitong LGA. Nabanggit niyan. Itong Infinite Grace. Yun yata yung binanggit mo kanina. Tumulat sa atin. Nais ko nga pasalamatan si Mr. Arceo na siyang may-ari din itong LGA Metalcraft. Congratulations po. At saka maraming salamat po dun sa pinigil niyo sulat sa amin 2 weeks ago. And we appreciate very much na nag-i-enjoy kayo dito sa aming coverage. At siya pala ay isang Telebet member. Oo, tumataya siya ng nadulat sa kanyang Telebet. In the meantime, nais namin paalam sa inyo o pabatid sa inyo na yung inyong suggestion ay pinag-uusapan po namin ngayon. Paano po?
Medyo napatagal ang kamayan nila. Okay. Congratulations to you, Abong. At ngayon po naman, Tawagan natin ang tao na talaga po namang nagsumikap, nagpakahirap at nagwagi sa pagpapanalo kay Infinite Grace, A.B. Guse. Si A.B. Guse, na ito po, sa pamilya po yan ng mga Guse.